Knit two together is a 1-stitch decrease, and it is a right leaning decrease. It's actually the mirror image of SSK. So for a normal knit stitch, you would insert your needle in the first stitch and knit it, but for a knit two together, you will insert your needle in the second stitch and knit through both the second and the first stitch. Now you have decreased by 1, and you can see that this decreased stitch is leaning to the right.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find all the yarn on my website at jackiebean.com. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.